In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in 4K using Adobe Premiere Rush. Whether you're new to this versatile editing tool or looking to polish your skills, understanding how to export projects in stunning 4K resolution is an essential step. Let's dive into the process to ensure your videos look their absolute best. Before we even start the export process, it's important to make sure all of your edits are complete in Premiere Rush. This includes any cutting, color correction, audio adjustments, or any other enhancements you've made to your project. Think of this as your last chance to perfect your content before it meets the world. Once you're satisfied and your project shines just the way you want, we can move on to the exporting phase. Now, to begin the export process, take a look at the top toolbar within Premiere Rush. You should see a button labeled either Share or Export. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Export dialog box, and this is where the magic really starts to happen. In this dialog, you'll see an option to select your destination. This is an important choice because it determines where your final video will end up. You might want to export it locally to your computer, or perhaps you're aiming to upload directly to a platform like YouTube. Select the option that best fits your needs. Next, let's talk about the advanced settings. You may notice that Adobe defaults to an automatic resolution setting. While this can be convenient for the purposes of exporting in 4K, we want to take manual control. Open up the advanced settings to check out the available resolution options. If 4K is supported for your specific project or plan, you will want to choose a resolution that is either exactly 3840 x 2160 or very close to it. This is the resolution that will give you that crisp, high-quality 4K output. While you're in the advanced settings, it's a good idea to also check the frame rate and quality settings. For a high-quality export, make sure you have set both the frame rate and quality to high. This will ensure your video maintains its integrity and looks as polished as possible. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, it's time for the final step. Click on Export, or if you've chosen a platform like YouTube, you might see an option to publish instead. Clicking this will begin the export process, and in just a little while, you'll have a beautifully rendered 4K video ready to impress viewers. With these steps, you've mastered exporting in 4K on Premiere Rush. Now, your projects can deliver that stunning visual impact they deserve. Keep creating and enjoy the high-quality results.